Whenever CA and CMA results are announced, they have a ritual to get ranks. So more than 51 All India ranks that they have got, more than 20,000 admissions. They are biggest commerce college in India, and they have a record of getting 7 All India first ranks, and from the past 3 years consecutively they have got first rank and they have got the hat tricks. And even they are known for making an ordinary student into a ranker. One of the biggest CA colleges that we have in India, probably that's why they are called as Commerce Koreans in India. Today we are glad to interact with one of the faculty member of Masterminds, and he is going to give a valuable insights about certain elements of this course. So let us interact with him and we'll try to get some valuable insights about this course. Hello Chandu sir, how are you?
Hello
sir?
Karim sir, fine, nice talking to you.
Right. Sir, many a times students will be having a doubt that what are the stages that are there in this CA and CMA professional courses. Will you help our audience to know what are the stages that are there in CA and CMA courses?
Yeah, definitely Karim sir. First of all, let me tell you about Chartered Accountancy course. So CA stands for Chartered Accountancy, and it is offered by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, which was established in the year 1949 as a statutory body by the Parliament. And in CA course we have 3 stages. The first one is CA Foundation, the second one CA Inter, and third one CA Final. And coming to CMA, of course CMA follows the same structure, and CMA stands for Cost and Management Accountancy course, and it is offered by ICMAI, the Institute of Cost and Management Accountants of India. It is also a statutory body established in the year 1959 by the Parliament. And likewise in CA, in CMA also we have 3 stages: CMA Foundation, CMA Inter, and CMA Final. So this is the basic structure of CA and CMA courses.
Sir, in CA Foundation you have All India ranks. Along with that, in the recent MEC results also you have got some state ranks. So how do you exactly feel about all these ranks?
Yeah, definitely it is a happy moment whenever our students get state level ranks and All India ranks. Definitely we feel happy, but I wanted to just tell you some facts about that. For example, first of all, let us take about Inter MEC. So in Inter MEC, it is like a never before ever after kind of phenomena where we get 18 times state first rank in MEC, and another very interesting thing is that 8 times in a row our student got state first in Inter MEC. And see, I wanted to tell you one another important thing, that we have 1507 students either in junior Inter or senior Inter who got more than 90% in MEC. So this tells the strength that we have in MEC groups. And generally if you observe, for MEC group in other colleges the number of students will not be more than 50 to 100, but at Masterminds the students who got more than 90% either in junior MEC or senior MEC is 1507. And of course we also have CEC in our organization, but we don't prefer CEC much. The reason is, once a student studies mathematics, his logical abilities will improve a lot, and that will help the student very much better in his career. And now coming to CA and CMA Foundation ranks. So every year when ranks are announced, our students will be the toppers at CA and CMA Foundation. And let me tell you an instance. For example, in 2021 September results, our student Pujita got 362 marks out of 400. And probably that will be the All India best mark, because the thing is, in September 2021 the ranks are not announced by ICAI, but in February 2021 results of CA Foundation, the All India top mark, All India first rank mark is 361. So if you take that into consideration and compare the marks of Pujita, definitely Pujita might have stood the All India first ranker. And coming to CMA Foundation, 2 students, Rishabh, who got All India first, and Mr. Sisi Srinivas got All India second rank in CMA Foundation. Of course, they have written examination in 2020, but results are also announced at that time, but ranks are announced in 2022. So these all things make us very happy, but at the same time lot of responsibility, and we are very happy that our students are bringing lot of glory to our organization. Thank you.
Chandrasekhar sir, in CA Inter and CA Foundation recent results that were announced, so we have come to know that the result was a bit encouraging, and even we have come to know that mastermind students have grabbed all India ranks also. So how do you feel about it?
Yeah, definitely that is a joyful moment to everyone in our organization, because when our students are performing well, yes, definitely that brings lot of joy and happiness to every one of us. And now let me tell you that in January 2023, CA Inter results were announced, and in those results nearly 45,000 students qualified either in single group or in both groups at CA Inter level. And definitely this is not a small number, and whenever I am constantly stressing this point, I am constantly reiterating this point, that whenever we are talking about CA and CMA results, please mind that the exams are conducted twice a year and results are also announced twice a year. And coming to masterminds, our students, in those results, we have nearly 1500 students who have qualified in those results. And definitely this is also not a small number, because in many institutes, especially at CA Inter level, you can hardly find 50 to 100 students studying CA Inter. But from our institute, nearly 1500 students got qualified. And earlier people used to think that in CA and CMA results, either one or two people in a district or in a mandal used to qualify CA and CMA courses. But those days are gone now. The trend has been totally reversed, and today many students, even from remote areas and rural areas, they are qualifying CA and CMA courses, and that is definitely a great news to every one of us. And now coming to year 2022. Year 2022 is a bit of landmark in the history of masterminds, because we have 2-decade celebrations in 2022. So the greatest gift that our students have given in 2022 is that either in old syllabus or new syllabus, our students have performed very much well, and Mr. Reshwant got All India first rank, and we also got All India 8th rank, All India 10th rank, and All India 47th rank in those results. And definitely that made our day at that point of time, and we are very happy for that. And I request everyone who are watching this program to keep this particular point in mind, like that in MSET or in IIT or in any other examination, a rank will be awarded to each and every candidate who have appeared the examination. But that is not the case in CA and CMA courses. Only top 50 ranks are announced in CA and CMA courses to encourage the meritorious students. But every student who qualified any level of CA and CMA courses, definitely we can treat them as great achievers. Because yes, this is not a simple thing. So definitely who have qualified in CA and CMA courses, yes, we can treat them as achievers. And in February 2023 CA Foundation results, nearly 37,000 students have qualified CA Foundation, and definitely this is a very great number across the country. Again, after 6 months, again an exam will be conducted, and again 25 to 30,000 students will qualify in that examination. So by keeping in mind all these things, if you observe that the results in CA and CMA courses are very much encouraging.
Chandrasekhar sir, in CA final and CMA final results also, we have come to know that the results are a bit more encouraging. And moreover, we have come to know that in the past results, you have got All India first rank for 7 times. And I'm quite sure that that is the reason why you people are more encouraging, and that is the reason behind your Josh. Is it true?
Yeah, definitely, because it gives us a fillip boost to our enthusiasm to work much more harder. Now let me tell you the facts. In January 2023, CA final results across all coaching institutes in India, nearly 30,000 students have qualified either in single group or both groups. And this is not a small number. And whenever we tell numbers in CA course, many people think that they are CA foundation results. No. For your kind information, this 30,000 number is not related to CA foundation. It is related to CA final only. Yes. See, for example, even if you observe in IIT and JEE also, the number of students who are getting qualified is nearly 12,000 to 13,000, not more than that. And this 13,000 is not a small number across India, either in single group or both groups. And these are the results of 6 months. Again, in August again, results will be announced, and nearly 20 to 25,000 student gets qualified either in single group or both groups. So yes, definitely CA final results are very much encouraging. And you know, the myth that very few students get qualified in CA final is no more relevant, because many students are qualifying even CA final also. Earlier people used to say that very rarely one student get qualified in a particular area or in a district. No, those days are gone. Today you have lot number of students getting qualified CA and CMA courses. Consecutively in 3 years, that is in 2020, 2021 and 2022, our students grabbed 7 All India first rank in various courses, that is in CA and CMA courses. But before telling those details, I want to make a humble submission that whenever a student get All India first rank, the entire credit goes to that student only. His hard work, his determination has given him an All India first rank. Of course, we don't want to take that pride to our institute, because we offer coaching to several thousands of students. If every student gets All India first rank, yes, we may take the pride. But only few students are getting All India first rank, and yes, definitely it is because of their hard work and determination. But in CA and CMA courses, every student who qualifies is definitely an achiever, and many students qualify from our institute, and we cannot name every one of them. That is the reason we are talking about ranks. And let me now share with you the details of the students who got All India first ranks. In 2020 CA final results, our student Mr. Sai Pranit got All India first rank in CA final. In 2020 CMA final results, our student Guru Bhaskar Reddy got All India first rank. In the same year 2020 again, our student Rishabh got All India first rank in CMA foundation. In the year 2021, in CMA final results, our student Nikhil got All India first rank in CMA final. And in 2022, our student Mr. Yashwant got All India first rank in CA Inter Old Syllabus. And in the year 2023, our student Rishabh got All India first rank in CMA Inter. So yes, definitely these results are very much encouraging and giving us lot of enthusiasm to work much better to offer very good services to our students.
Chandrasekhar sir, in a previous answer you have said that Masterminds Institute have got ranks for consecutive 3 years, which means you got hat-trick. And it has to be said that it is one of the greatest thing that can be achieved. It's not that easy to achieve that. So there might be a secret behind your success. It will be great if you can share with the audience what is the secret behind your success.
Karim sir, not only you but many other coaching institutes also keep us posing the same question. What is your success secret? See, there is no separate success secret, there is no separate academic program, or there is no special care that we take for our students to get All India ranks. Yes, definitely we offer the same academic program and same care on students, but not any special care. Students themselves are toppers and they are hard workers, and they join with us and do a lot of hard work with a lot of focus and determination, and that gives them All India ranks. And of course, what you said is right. They are hat-trick ranks because the ranks that our students got in year 2020, 21 and 2022. Because here at this moment of time, we are not just telling you our lifetime ranks. Okay, we have much more, many number of ranks, but yes, we are just telling you the hat-trick years, 2020, 2021 and 2022, our students got All India first rank 7 times. Okay, not only All India first ranks, many times we also get All India second rank. For example, in 2022, our student Mr. Govardhan got All India second rank in CMA final. So yes, several times we used to get All India ranks. And to all the parents who are watching this program, I want to make a very important and humble submission to every one of you. While you are deciding to join your child in Masterminds, instead of looking at our ranks, look at our commitment, look at our experience, look at the strength of our academic program. Only then you take a decision to join your child in our organization. Because ranks are always bonus, and especially in CA courses, each and every student who has qualified in any of the levels, yes, definitely we can treat them as achievers. And if a student get ranks, yes, it is absolutely a bonus. So keeping aside the ranks, look at our commitment, our experience, our professional commitment to the course. Yeah, these all things should be given higher priority while choosing Masterminds for your child's career.
Sir, whenever we hear name Masterminds, usually CA course will come in our mind. And there is no doubt that definitely you are considered as commerce Koreans. But in all this, what made you to come into MEC?
That's a wonderful question, Karim sir. Actually, it is the 22nd year we are running our organization, and we have completed 21 successful years. So initially in the year 2002 we did not start MEC course. We have started MEC after 2 years of the inception of Masterminds. So what prompted us to start Masterminds? The reason is that, we are seeing many students preparing from their 6th class and 7th class for IIT. So that idea clicked in our mind. So why can't we offer such kind of foundation training to the students who are aspiring for CA and CMA courses? So that prompted us to start MEC course. Yes, we have started MEC plus Foundation Integrated Academic Program, and today that is giving us marvelous results. Just now in the previous question you have asked about our hat-trick results in the year 2020, 21 and 22. So the main reason behind those hat-trick results is this marvelous Foundation Integrated Academic Program along with intermediate. So definitely that is a fillip boost to our organization. One more point I want to add. At Masterminds, we strongly believe to remain as an exclusive commerce institution across the country. See, it is very easy for us to start other courses. For example, at inter level, we can start MPC and BPC also. Because if we simply recruit some physics, chemistry and biology faculty, because already we have long ways faculty with us. So if we simply recruit these 3 types of faculty members, we can also start MPC, BPC and along with MEC and CEC. But we never wanted to do that because we want to remain exclusive in this commerce arena. And that is the reason we only offer MEC and CEC and no other course is available with us. And today that commitment made us #1 in the country. Many students ask me one common doubt. Sir, is economics similar to the social studies that we have studied at our 10th class level? Of course, at 10th class level there is economics, but the economics what you have studied there are mere fundamentals, and there will be somewhat difference between what you have studied in your class 10 and what you are going to study in your class 11th and 12th.
Chandrasekhar sir, let's say a student have completed his 10th standard and he want to enter into CA. What is the right choice for him, either to choose MPC or MEC? What do you suggest about it?
This is one of the most important question. But Karim sir, I wanted to tell you one very important thing. There are no such kind of courses which are either completely good or completely bad. So making that kind of division among the courses, that these are good courses, these are bad courses, no. At first, that is a wrong notion. So every course is good in its place. Okay, now straight away answering in a candid way to your question. So if a student aspires to become a chartered accountant, yes, MEC is the best course at inter level. Earlier there was no much craze for MEC, and many people don't know a group called MEC at inter level. That is why they used to choose either MPC and BPC, and later on they want to come to chartered accountancy and they used to come. Okay, that is also fine, but if a particular student is committed and determined to become chartered accountant at his class 10 level, then at class 11, that is at intermediate level, it is better for him to choose MEC. You know, choosing MEC for doing CA and CMA is always the best route and the shortest route. You know, even by doing MPC and BPC also, yes, you can come to CA course, and many students do that. But right now many students, they are opting MEC, and we get many admissions in CA course from the students who have done their MEC. See, you can better understand with a small analogy if I tell you that. For example, if you want to go to 5th floor from ground floor, and you may have two routes. You can take the steps route and you can take the lift route. So if you take MPC and BPC and later on want to come to CA, it is like choosing the steps route. And if you take MEC and want to come to CA, that is like choosing the lift route. So what's the difference? The difference is the efforts that you need to put. So to climb the steps, you need to put a lot of efforts. And if you choose the lift route, the efforts are very much less required. So that is the difference. But at the end of the day, whether you take MPC or BPC or MEC, yes, definitely you can choose CA and you can become a chartered accountant. That's not a big deal. So many students, after completing their 10th class, because of many reasons like not having proper knowledge or not having proper awareness and exposure, they take wrong decision in selecting the group at intermediate level. And they make wrong choice of the groups, and finally they will not become successful in their career. So the knack lies in choosing the right group based on your tastes, based on your interests at intermediate level. So if a particular student is determined to become a chartered accountant or want to excel in commerce arena, MEC is the best choice for them. See, you have to select the course based on your strengths and weaknesses. For example, if you ask me to speak in a show, in a TV show, or if you ask me to speak on a stage, yes, I am ready. And if you ask me to write something, yes, I am ready. But if you ask me to play cricket, I'll take a back step. I cannot do that. It's not my cup of tea. So everyone in this world should select the work, should choose the profession, should choose the career which best suits according to their strengths and weaknesses. This is an irreversible and invincible idea that everyone should follow. And let me tell you about the IIT scenario in India. See, more than 10 lakh students, they appear for IIT and IIT examination. But how many are getting qualified and how many seats are available? Only 12,000 seats. That is, only 1% students are getting seats. That is, 1 in 100 they are getting seat in IIT. And now, what about medicine? For example, if you take the NEET statistics and if you compare it with the schools in 2 Telugu states, you will understand the scenario much better. For example, in 2 Telugu states, we have nearly 50,000 schools, both private schools and government schools put together. And we have only 5,000 seats for every state in medicine. So, if you make a comparison, you are having only 1 seat for every 10 schools, not for every 10 students, for every 10 school students. So this is the most important thing you need to focus. And in the recent 2022 NEET examination, it was written by more than 18 lakh students. And the number of seats available are 1 lakh. Such a high competition is there. But in CA courses, there is no concept of getting a rank. If everyone who get the qualifying mark is declared as qualified, and you need not put very strenuous efforts for medicine and engineering. Of course, I don't claim that CA is such a very easy course like that of conventional courses like BCom and all, and like BTech. No, definitely you need to work hard, you need to put some efforts, but the same efforts what you put for engineering and medicine, getting a seat in engineering and medicine, with the same efforts, definitely you can make qualifying in CA and CMA course almost possible. So I request the parents and students to pay attention to this particular point very much before choosing their course at intermediate level. Because if your long-term vision is fixed, and basing on that vision, if you take a decision regarding the selection of group in intermediate, yes, that will definitely help you out a lot to become successful in your career.
Chandrasekhar sir, many times most of the people will have a biggest doubt in their minds. What is usually the pass percentage in these kind of professional courses? Will you guide our audience to know what exactly the pass percentage of these courses?
Karim sir, this is a biggest myth buster. If you have not asked this question, yes, definitely there will be some lacking in this particular interview, because whenever we talk about CA course, many myths revolve around the people and revolve around the course. Definitely this is a very important question. Now, let me tell you about the pass percentage at CA Foundation, CA Inter and CA Final results of the recent attempt. And you can cross check these results from icai.org. And one more thing is, these results are not the results of the masterminds. The results of masterminds will be much more higher than the results of ICAI. I mean to say, the percentage of pass outs will be more compared to the All India pass percentage announced by ICAI. Okay, so you may ask me, sir, why you are telling that the mastermind students pass percentage will be much higher than the ICAI pass percentage? The answer is obviously very simple. The quality of the materials we provide, the efficiency of the academic program that we maintain, and our commitment and our study hours and revision exams, these all things play a lot of role in making our students more successful. So this is the thing what I wanted to put before you. At first, let me tell you the pass percentage at CA Foundation level in February 2023 results. The pass percentage is almost 30%. In January 2023 CA Inter results, the pass percentage in Group 1 is 23% and in Group 2 it is 19%. In January 2023 CA final results, the pass percentage in Group 1 is 23% and in group 2 it is 19%. Of course, every time the same percentages may not be there. Sometimes it would be a little bit more, or sometimes it will be little bit less. But if you can observe, to my astonishment, in August 2019 CA Inter Group 2 results, the pass percentage is almost 40%. Or it may or may not happen all the time. But yes, that kind of results are also there in this course. And another beauty in this course is, if a student gets failed, the student need not wait for an entire year to write the examination one more time. Simply after the 6 months, he can write the examination. So that there is no concept of wasting an entire productive year. Yes, definitely these are all the positive things that we can observe in this course. Anyway, thank you Karim sir for asking me such a wonderful question, which is really a myth buster.
Sir, let's say if any of the aspirant want to pursue like BBA in degree, or if they want to pursue law, for these courses, is there anything that is available in your institute?
Yes. See, for the students who wants to pursue law, or who are aspiring to do MBA in IIMs, or who wants to look beyond some conventional courses, yes, at Masterminds we have recently launched MEC Pro and CEC Pro courses. Okay. So actually, I want to share a little thing with you. The word pro has several meanings, and one of the meaning is pro is favorable. So this MEC Pro is favorable for many courses. For example, if someone wants to pursue BCom or BBA, or want to go for hotel management, or want to go for civils, or want to go for pursuing law, or wanted to do masters in business or financial sectors, this MEC Pro and CEC Pro course will be of great help to them. And this year we are launching this MEC Pro and CEC Pro in all our branches. And the academic program of this MEC Pro and CEC Pro will be entirely different from MEC, because this academic program consists of lot of industrial tours, much focus on communication skills, field trips. Yes, it will be totally a different game plan. And the students who wants to just think different and wanted to do something different, yes, definitely this MEC Pro and CEC Pro courses will be of a great help to such kind of students.
Chandrasekhar sir, there are so many colleges which are offering MEC in the market. Let's say if any student wants to join into MEC, I just wanted to know what is the difference doing MEC in an MEC college and doing MEC in Masterminds college. Would you help us to know?
Yeah, this is again a little bit, telling answer to this question is not very easy, Karim sir, but I'll try to tell you that. See, for example, everyone in this world always want special care, special attention, customized product. So everyone wants that, and there is nothing wrong in that. For example, if you suffer from a chest pain, generally you don't want to, you don't prefer to see a general physician, rather you want to go to a cardiologist, because you always want some special care, some customized care. So the same principle is applicable in the course selection and in the selection of the institute also. For example, if a student wants to join in MEC or CEC, and if he selects a college which offers all courses at interlevel, a hodgepodge of all courses, MPC, BIPC, MEC and CEC. So in that kind of institutions, what happens is they give very least priority to MEC and CEC courses, and sometimes almost no priority at all, because their priorities are different. But if you look at Masterminds, which is a specialized commerce college. Here, much importance is given to only MEC and CEC. We don't have any other thing except MEC and CEC. Our main focus is on MEC and CEC students. And if you want to join in MEC and CEC, it is better you join in exclusive commerce colleges. Because one thing I want to tell to the students and parents, you are choosing commerce as your mainstream career, then it is always better to choose an exclusive college who always thinks about commerce students and their careers. That is rule number 1. And that is an invincible rule that everyone should follow. And whenever you are selecting an exclusive commerce college, there is another rule number 2. Whether that college is offering MEC plus CA Foundation integrated program or not. If you simply join MEC or CEC alone, it is not enough. MEC and CEC or MEC CA Foundation integrated academic program, that is very much important. For example, at Masterminds, we teach MEC with CA Foundation integrated academic program. We teach it for 800 to 1000 hours. We teach CA Foundation for 800 to 1000 hours during MEC only. But many institutions, they just tell that they also offer MEC with CA Foundation academic integrated program, but they do not do it. You can inquire from our students whether we are doing it or not. And at the same time, you can also inquire the students of other institutes whether they are really teaching and whether they are really completing the syllabus in time or not for MEC and CA Foundation integrated program. So these are all the ground realities that the parents and students should realize whenever they make a decision to join in any organization. And generally, even though we offer CEC, we don't advise students to join in CEC because MEC is such a wonderful combination where you have maths over there. And once you have maths at your +2 level, that will have multiple benefits in your career. The first and foremost benefit is it will develop your logical abilities. It will develop your thinking capabilities. And having mathematics at +2 level will be of great help to you in your later careers. Later, you may think of changing your career or in whatever way you go way forward, that will definitely help you a lot. So that is a reason choosing MEC at intermediate level is a very good thing.
Chandrasekhar sir, in recent times we have witnessed that GST has come and before that demonetization has happened. So a very big kind of news have come in that because of these two incidents like GST introduction, demonetization have raised the career opportunities for CAs. Is it really true?
Yeah. Karim sir, actually I don't feel that this is the right platform to discuss about the pros and cons of demonetization. But one thing is quite clear. Because of this demonetization, the career opportunities for CAs have increased drastically. The reason? The number of income tax return filings have increased. So many people started filing their income tax return. That in turn has given a lot of opportunities to the chartered accountants. This is point number 1. And now coming to GST. To the best of my knowledge, GST is one of the biggest tax reforms that have taken place in our country so far. And it has created ample opportunities to the chartered accountants both at the local level as well as at the global level. That we can say from local to global, GST has definitely given a fillip boost of opportunities to the chartered accountants. And yes, definitely the reforms, especially these economic reforms, will boost up the career opportunities of the chartered accountants. Any economic reforms, definitely at the end of the day will give rise to the opportunities of chartered accountants. I want to add one more point. This GST, to the best of my knowledge, will definitely give best career opportunities to the chartered accountants in the coming 50 years.
Chandrasekhar sir, what is the advice that you would like to give to the aspirants, those who wish to come into CA?
Yeah, not only one but many advices, Karim sir. The first and foremost advice what I wanted to give is join in an exclusive commerce college. What do you mean by exclusive commerce college? There only MEC and CEC, commerce related streams, only need to be taught, not MPC and BYPC. And by the way, you may think that I am asking students to come and join in my institute only. No, I am not here to tell you that. In the best interest of your career, I am telling you, if you aspire to become a chartered accountant, it is always a better idea to choose an exclusive commerce college. Means where except MEC and CEC, no other courses are being taught. That is the definition of exclusive commerce college. And second important thing, whenever you want to join in CA Foundation, the most important thing is join in a college where they offer CA Foundation, CA Inter and CA Final coaching also. A complete CA college. Because it has become a common thing that the institutions which are simply proclaiming that they are teaching CA course, but they are teaching only CA Foundation. CA means it is having 3 levels, no? CA Foundation, CA Inter and CA Final. So the coaching should be imparted at all the 3 levels. Only then you can say that it is a complete CA coaching institute. So it is better for the students and parents to select that kind of institution for joining for CA course. And another important thing what I wanted to add is, whenever you are joining for MEC and CEC, join in such an institute which offers MEC along with CA Foundation integrated coaching for 800 to 1000 hours. That is very important. And if CA Foundation coaching is offered in less number of hours than that, it becomes very tough. It becomes very tough for CA Foundation students to clear CA Foundation. And another important advice what I wanted to give to the students is that generally it takes 6 years to complete CA course after 10th class. But it would be better if you take 1 more year as a buffer period, because we cannot foresee everything today itself. So there is nothing wrong in that. You just have 1 more year as a buffer period and come into this course. And especially when you want to take admission in Masterminds, my humble request to the parents and students is that don't look at our ranks. Look at our commitment. Look at our academic program. Look at our professional expertise. Because these are the things that will help you to perform better in your career, not the ranks that our students get. And also choose an exclusive commerce college which is having 15 to 20 years of experience in the field. Only then you will get the best quality services. And while taking admission, always observe the logo of Masterminds, because you may find a same or similar name of Masterminds at many places. So it is always better you observe the logo that is available on the screen right now, and basing on that you take a decision to join in Masterminds. And if you have any doubt, you just make a call to the helpline number and get confirmation, only then take the admission. And we have branches in both AP and Telangana. In Andhra Pradesh, we have our head office at Guntur. Apart from that, we have branches at Vizag, Vijayawada, Rajahmundry, Kurnool, Nellore and Tirupati. In Hyderabad, we have branches at 5 different locations, one in LB Nagar, one in Dilshuk Nagar and another one in Amirpet, the next one at Nijampet and next one in Vanasthalipuram. So at these 5 locations, we have our branches, we have our presence. And apart from these places in AP and Telangana, we don't have any other branches. Especially in places like Madanapalle and Warangal, we don't have any branches. Take admission in genuine mastermind branches and colleges only.
Sir, what is the suggestion you would like to give to the student who want to join CEC course?
So at first, I don't encourage students to join CEC. Of course, we do offer CEC, but I don't personally advise any student to join CEC. The reason is simple. Every student should get the benefit of studying maths at their +2 level. That is my intention. Because you cannot imagine the advantage that you get by studying maths at your intermediate level. The range of opportunities you have. Yes, you have plethora of opportunities if you have maths at your +2 level. And apart from that, I have already told you earlier that your thinking capability. See, maths is queen of all sciences, and it develops your analytical thinking, it develops your logical thinking. Even you get 40 or 50 marks in mathematics, you need not get 100% in mathematics. Even you get 40 to 50 marks in mathematics, that is enough, that is more than enough. But don't lose the opportunity of gaining logical capabilities and thinking capabilities just by ignoring mathematics at intermediate level. So my sincere suggestion and my personal suggestion, if I was to give suggestion to my own kids, I suggest them not to go for CEC. It is better you go for MEC in an exclusive commerce college. And especially if you want to join in commerce courses, go for MEC only. This is the ultimate personal suggestion I can give.
Chandrasekhar sir, just in one thing that we wanted to know from you, why no for MPC and BPC, why S for CA?
So I am not here to just tell you no for MPC and BPC and yes for CA, but what I wanted to tell you is yes for CA, and yes, you can also pursue those courses. I am not against to that. Okay, but just come to the statistics and come to the reality and take the decision in a proper way. That is what I wanted to tell to the parents and the students. First of all, let us try to analyze about MPC. For example, a student has taken MPC. So what is the ultimate goal of a student who have joined in MPC? See, nowadays, if you get a seat in a normal engineering college, it becomes very tough for you to settle in your career. So definitely the ultimate goal should be to crack IIT. And now what is the situation of IIT? See, some 10 lakh students, they are appearing for IIT and the number of seats available is 12,000. So the competition is very high. And now what about NEET? Some 18 lakh students, they have appeared for NEET in the recent examination. And the available seats are less than 1 lakh. Such a heavy competition. So that student have to face lot of pressure to get the seat, to grab the rank. So, and I don't think that every student can withstand this type of pressure of getting the ranks and grabbing the seat. And again, once you get a rank, once you get a seat, and that engineering or medicine seat, again, there will be some premier institutions, only there you need to get it. So, a lot of things are there. But what I am asking the parents and students is, You just try to observe what is happening in CA course. In CA course, there is no discussion about ranks. You just attend the examination and just qualify. That is more than enough. So at first what happens? 50% of burden is not there. No burden of thinking about the rank and getting the rank and working for the rank. That all things are not here. So that you can totally focus on the studies and give your best. And there is no mechanism to judge your rank here. So you can give your best and you can get a good qualifying mark. And today the hot topic is recession. There is recession everywhere. Jobs are being fired. Employees are being trashed. And sometimes in a very inhuman manner. Okay. So at this time, people are looking for, if you search Google, what is the recession proof career? And in the top list, you find the chartered accountancy courses and accountancy positions. Yes, definitely. We come across a lot of news every day in all the media channels, in newspapers, everywhere, that there were many job cuts. Okay, and recession is it is becoming like another economic pandemic, like this. So at these tough times, there are certain careers and there are certain courses which are definitely acting as recession proof careers and courses. And I can proudly say chartered accountancy and accountancy are such kind of recession proof careers which are giving a job guarantee and career guarantee to the people even during tough times of recession. And I feel very happy to tell you that thing. So any student who wants to choose a recession proof career, my personal advice for them is to choose courses like CA and CMA.
Thank you so much, Chandrasekhar sir, for being with us and giving your valuable insight. So well, this is about a wonderful talk with Chandrasekhar sir, who have helped us to understand about these professional courses, and hoping that this interaction might have helped a lot of aspirants out there, those who are interested to get into these kind of professional courses. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Karim sir. Thank you for giving me wonderful opportunity to interact with you. And also I felt very happy because I could share my experiences relating to CA and CMA courses. Thank you.
So this is about our today's career guidance program. Thank you very much.